Selection criterion for actuators. Selection criteria. The selection of a proper actuator is more complicated than selection of sensors, primarily due to their effect on dynamic behavior of the overall system. Furthermore, the selection of the actuator dominates the power needs and the coupling mechanisms of the entire system. The coupling mechanism can sometimes be completely avoided if the actuator provides the output that can be directly interfaced to the physical system. For example, choosing a linear motor in place of rotary motor can eliminate the need of coupling mechanism to convert rotary motion into linear motion. In general, the following performance parameters must be addressed before choosing an actuator for a specific need. The continuous power output, the maximum force torque attainable continuously without exceeding the temperature limits. 2. Range of motion, the range of linear or rotary motion. 3. Resolution, the minimum increment of force or torque attainable. Accuracy, linearity of the relationship between input and output. Peak force by torque, the force by torque at which the actuator stalls. Heat dissipation, maximum wattage of heat dissipation in continuous operation. Speed characteristics, force torque versus speed relationship. No load speed, typical operating speed by velocity with no external load. Frequency response, the range of frequency over which the output follows the input faithfully, applicable to linear actuators. Power requirement, a type of power, AC or DC, number of phases, voltage level and current capacity. So in addition to this, many other factors become important depending on the type of power and the coupling mechanism required. For example, if a rack and pinion coupling mechanism is chosen, the backlash and friction will affect the resolution of actuating units.